Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to put a stop loss on Charles Schwab, step by step. A stop loss order is a vital tool for managing risk, instructing your broker to sell a security once it reaches a predetermined price. This helps protect your investments from significant downturns. Charles Schwab provides several options, such as stop market and stop limit orders, allowing you to tailor your risk management strategy. Understanding these orders is key to safeguarding your portfolio effectively. To begin, simply log into your Charles Schwab account, either through their website or the convenient mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Trade tab, usually found at the top of your screen. Here, you will enter the ticker symbol for the specific stock you want to protect. After selecting your security, choose Sell as the action and input the exact number of shares for your order. Next, you will configure the specifics of your stop order. In the Order Type drop-down menu, select either Stop for market order once triggered or Stop Limit for more price control. Enter the stop price, which is the trigger point for your order. If you chose Stop Limit, also specify a limit price. Finally, decide on the order's duration. Good until canceled keeps it active for 60 days or day for a single trading day. Before finalizing, it is crucial to carefully review all the details of your stop-loss order. Double-check the ticker symbol, the number of shares, the chosen order type, and both the stop and limit prices to ensure accuracy. Once you are confident everything is correct, click the Review Order button to see a comprehensive summary. After this final check, simply tap Place Order to activate your stop-loss and help protect your investment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.